Hey there, Dr. Chris Cooper here with Cascade Chiropractic and Wellness in Portland, Oregon. I have Nelson here. Nelson has been a patient of ours for a while. He comes in for maintenance, common complaints, tension between the shoulder blades, pain up in here, sometimes low back stuff. He's also a runner. We just kind of keep him moving and healthy, and the body feels good. So we've already done a little bit of muscle work on Nelson today. As I'm palpating, there's a little bone here that's shifted out. T1, 2, 3, 4. T4 is shifted to the left, and it's also stuck. When I push it, it doesn't move, but this whole section doesn't move as well. I want it to be nice and fluid and movable, so when Nelson gets off the table, he feels like he can stand up tall. Take a deep breath. There's also down in here as well. This is more rotational, a little bit of that SI movement. We need to move a little bit smoother, a little bit more full. So let's start up here. Yeah, we'll get that spot first. All right, Nelson, take a big breath in, a big breath out. Good job. Let's do one more. Big breath in, big breath out. Wonderful. Pull here, fold up like here, bend up here, and scooch you here. We're going to aim right at that L5, L4, and right at that SI. So let this roll back, rock you down and around, a little push. Very nice. Big pull here, fold up like that, bend up here, scoot you here. Let this shoulder roll backwards. And rock you forward a bit. Very nice. All right, let's see about the neck. Ooh, tense up top today. Mm-hmm. Tender?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Probably do a little bit of muscle work also then. That left side, it's like the whole left side, but especially this upper left. So let's work on muscles first. I'm just going to grab some of these suboccipitals, little tiny muscles that attach from the base of your skull down to C1 and C2. Are these getting tight while you're working?
Yeah. Been turning my head to the left a lot this week.
Computer stuff or what? So what's going on?
Just like I've been working on the production line. Oh. And a lot of the action occurs to my left, so I'm always constantly turning.
Got it, yeah. A little out of balance. All the tensions on your left side. At least in the neck. There it goes. Starting to relax a bit. Let's get one more spot. So this is a different muscle. Doing okay? Mm-hmm. There you go. Kind of looking for muscles to soften. If we get all this stuff to relax, adjustments go a lot smoother. They also last longer. There you go. There you go. You felt that melt? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's get this adjusted nice. So let's come way over here. We're going to grab right up on that occiput. A little pull. Very good. And just a little bit on this side. Not quite as intense. That feels awesome. Let me just make sure it moves. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. How is shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, ankles?
Good.
All right, let's check this out. Have a seat up. Move around a bit. Make sure we got all the things.
Oh, yeah. A lot smoother, yeah.
Chip, is you okay back here? Is it sore at all, that upper left?
No, I mean, most of it was just kind of like the upper back
cool.
area, yeah, which felt like you got it, yeah.
Right on. Mm-hmm. Thanks, Nelson.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate you. Okay, take it easy.